Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-25C-Term that is modified to accept 6 sensors, and these are object sensors. As you can see over here on the left, I've got them set up all in a row on a vise, and I'm just going to demonstrate that they will detect and also send out the number of times it's been triggered. So each one is being triggered and then sending it to the counter, and the counter is accumulating those triggers and displaying that. Also, the counter comes with a reset to 0 and also decrement, and that's a wired remote. It comes with a 25-foot cord. That's in a weatherproof or weather resistant box with 2 environmentally sealed switches. Everything is connected on the back of the counter. This one specifically, we've got 2 terminal blocks for power for your sensors, and we have adapted those to our counter. The industry has many types of sensors. This customer's just wanted to use his type. And then all of the inputs here are terminal blocked also, and we've got those on the back cover. This separates from the front cover. It's just 3 screws and pulls apart, and it's easy to locate the mounting, but you can mount it to a handy box or 4-square electrical box and bring your wires in. We have 3 access points where you can bring wires in. Those are 7/8 inch knockouts for a 1/2 inch conduit. So I'm just going to demonstrate again that we are actually monitoring 6 inputs. It can be expandable to more. You just got to give us a call. Please give us a call and we can work with you on that if you have more inputs. This one is specifically counting return bottles, so they're all flying down this roller slide and crossing over in front of the sensors, and then our counter is displaying the total. This is a wall transformer with a 6-foot cord, 120 input, 12 volt output, and everything goes together. Black powder coated aluminum enclosure. So again, this is a specialized DC-25C-Term, and this is Jim with DC Digital. Thank you so much for watching.